Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the 10 AI tools that are replacing developers, designers and the testers. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first one, that is GitHub Copilot. Your AI pair programmer website GitHub Copilot replaces developer code buddy. Use case, it auto-completes code, writes boilerplate and even generates full function based on comments or previous code. The link is github.com features Copilot. You can check over there. I use Copilot daily. It helps me to go from idea to MVP in a days, not weeks. ChatGPT Pro with Code Interpreter, your AI tech lead. Website that is ChatGPT replaces Stack Overflow, debugger, software architect. Use case explain errors, writes, rejects, plans app architecture, and even runs Python scripts with the Code Interpreter, advanced data analysis. It once solved a MySQL query bottleneck for me, optimizing performance within a seconds. UI Wizard and the Galileo AI, UI design without designers. UI Wizard and Galileo AI replaces UI UX designers to some extent. Use case, describe a screen or upload a sketch and it generates a working UI instantly. Uizard.io, which is I'm using. Used Uizard for dashboards and Galileo for landing pages, saved hours of design and the work. Durable.co, AI website builder. Website Durable replaces front-end developer plus designer. Use case, build full websites, copy layout visuals with a single prompt, perfect for the solopreneurs. It's not just no code, it's almost no thought. Fifth one is Testim, Waldo, Autify, AI QA engineers. Website this one, testim.io replaces manual testers. Use case auto generates test cases based on your app's flow, great for the regression and end-to-end testing. Created complete React A2E test flows in under 10 minutes. Sixth one, that is Replit Ghostwriter, code deploy and the repeat. Website Replit Ghostwriter replaces lightweight full stack developer. Use case, built-in AI code generator, cloud IDE, one-click deployment, powerful prototyping in your browser. Codium AI, test generation with context. Website Codium AI replaces test writers. Use case, you write the code, Codium writes the test intelligently. Supports major languages and integrates directly with the VS Code. Voiceflow, chatbots and the voice assistants, no code needed. Voiceflow replaces backend plus NLP developers. Use case, drag and drop builder to create chatbots, voice bots, and assistants like Alexa or the Siri. Notion AI, project manager plus tech writer in one. Notion AI replaces PM, technical writer. Use cases, summarizes meetings, write docs, generate user stories, and organize product ideas. I use this for everything from my sprint notes to product specifications. 10th, that is builder.ai, Webflow AI, front end plus CMS in seconds. So replaces front-end dev plus CMS engineer. Use case, create fully responsive websites and the CMS structures using AI prompts and drag and drop tools. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.